restraining order. The funeral can't go on.
We are going to bury our brother-in-law. Supreme Court or no Supreme Court?
Doris! Come on, Tabo! Man, Doris! Tabo, please, man! Please!
Yeah, well, it's like a riot.
But before we can make any progress, this lady must just go out.
Hey, when I police, you must never!
Let's about Haksoka Kitswara Bupilong back. I don't want to be arrested at my age.
Unfortunately, we won't be able to bury Ntate Mokwebo tomorrow.
What are we going to do about your sister?
What's in your ma'am?
What are the guy when I like to more in day?
Mushamon, who boyfriend thing I had.
Hey, Lang! How do you give permission out Kalatala and Haleva Shanyana?
I'm sorry, Mama. You are never around to tell her that yourself.
Hey, when? Oscar Kalaput. I can't know in Ketamula, my own Abaima.
No, can I come back about to Safel?
I can battle to so how. Manzibuana had to feed her. Get Helen Grenagair.
But Mom, Timur is the one who leaves a mess.
Hey, Oscar Twilon Karabahati Railway. Where's the Mulao? Jahakamona. Hurry.
I'm going to be late.
Oh, Johnny. Can I let my tata mangata?
Edward and I spoke about opening up a new store when this funeral business is over.
Don't listen to that boy. We're not going to do Lemuna baby manage.
But Kate will be back soon enough.
Kathy's getting old. She won't manage on her own.
Doris, you are full of schemes. Can't you let people live their own lives?
When I will Johnny,
maybe. But you drive them crazy in the process.
Johnny, do I drive you crazy?
With a passion, my love.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
All rise in court.
If counsel for the plaintiff is ready, we may proceed. Are there any submissions you'd like to make?
No, Your Honor. We are ready to present our case.
Counsel for the respondent?
No, Your Honor. I believe this court still has our papers in its possession.
You may proceed, counsel.
Traditional values, long taken for granted and pushed to the doldrums of the backseat of society, are now beginning to emerge to challenge the status quo and take up their rightful positions, not only in the lives of black South Africans, but also in the minds and consciousness of the previously ignorant white society.
Objection, Your Honor. We are not putting tradition on trial here. That's a matter for the Constitutional Court.
Your Honor, that is exactly what we're doing. The validity of traditional law versus the existing laws of South Africa will determine the truth here.
You'll have to be careful not to create a political issue in this court, but I accept that the status of traditional law is central to your argument. Objection overruled.
Your Honor, there are long-standing cultural practices that have been confined to the rural homes of black people. Now, some of these practices have been thought to be illegal by the very black people who practice them because white society took a dim view on the traditional norms of black people.
Objection, Your Honor. I let the earlier comment by my colleague about ignorant whites pass, but his constant references to white perceptions border on being racist. If, Your Honor, we are dealing with traditional laws versus government laws, then let us bear in mind that we no longer have a white government.
I note your sensitivities, Counsel. Advocate Ndlovu, please do not lecture us on the wrongs of white society under the previous regime. That is not pertinent to the issue before us.
Yes, Your Honor. Without wasting the court's time, I would like to present our first witness. The applicant this time is one Masindi Chumaima Mukwebu.
Hey, vura man, food. Hey, baba. Quick. Let's go.
Flying squad. Robbery in progress. Mashudu supermarket in Shawelo. They've got guns.
Then when you finished school, what happened?
When I finished school, my husband's people paid lobola. And we started preparing for our wedding.
And did you get married?
Yes. We got married in February 1969.
Who officiated at your wedding?
I was received by my husband's people, including the local chief.
So it could be said that the whole community was there and saw you being married to Mr. Mashudu Kenneth Mukwebu.
That is correct.
And to the best of your knowledge, Mr. Mukwebu didn't have any other wife then?
No, he didn't.
Did the marriage produce any offspring?
Yes. We have 3 children.
Why did your husband go and live in Johannesburg?
Because he wanted to provide for the family.
And that didn't bother you?
No, it didn't. Because that was the type of life most of us were used to.
Court is adjourned until 11:30.
All rise in court.
This is 17. Send your message over.
I got a complaint. Robbery in progress at my Mashudu supermarket. Suspect armed with firearm. Robbery in progress.
My message received over.
Boma Cindy, would I be correct in assuming that you anticipated the possibility of your husband marrying another wife in Johannesburg?
In fact, one December, my husband came back. He told me that he needed to marry someone in order for him to qualify for a house in Johannesburg.
Did he have this particular someone in mind?
Yes, he invited me to meet her.
What was your response?
I came to Johannesburg in 1974 to meet her officially.
Did you talk to her at all?
Yes, because my husband introduced us and he explained to her that I was the chief wife.
Did your husband give up his responsibilities and abdicate his role as husband and father to you and your family?
No.
How frequently did you see your husband?
Once a month.
When was the last time that you saw your husband?
Last month, and when he came to show us his new 4x4.
You mean a 4x4?
I don't know.
No further questions, Your Honor.
We'll break for lunch. Court is adjourned until 2 p.m.
All rise in court.
Hello? Yes?
Okay. Another hostage, Simona. Ribatakona within 5 minutes. The telephone na hang halilukif. Usana, Kuala Mona.
If he was your husband, how could he have married someone else according to Western law and not marry you that way? Didn't that indicate that Mr. Mugweva considered Catherine to be his only wife?
Objection! That question presupposes that Western law is more valid than traditional law.
Objection sustained. Witness need not answer the question.
No further questions, Your Honor. Thank you.
Hello? Hey man, can't you say I'm shoot the supermarket mo?
What? Bona mona ma. Al sa ti sini kia tse liko no yona tse. Batho bana ga ba tshwata di sto. Bona jwale.
Hello? Hello? Hey na. Ho na le trouble shopong. Trouble e. Ho na le robbery.
What?
bafowethu ngiyanicela ningababulali labantu ngicela niphume emotweni iready phuma nizothatha imoto ningababulali.
So, Mrs. McGrevu, were you at any time given the impression that you were not the first wife or the chief wife?
No. My husband lived in Johannesburg, and I was the center of his life and his business.
What is your attitude towards his other wife?
I respect her as my husband's traditional wife. I just think that if he was buried at Avalon, all of us would be able to visit his grave. But if the funeral goes to Venda, then I wouldn't be able to visit his grave. I can't just leave the businesses and travel up there.
If the court granted you the right to bury your husband, would you have any problems with anyone attending the funeral?
Not at all.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Mrs. Mkwebu, you are an African woman who was born and raised in a home by a black mother and father.
Yes, I am.
You are therefore familiar with African culture and custom.
Yes, I am.
Was there ever any doubt in your mind that you were the second wife?
Objection, Your Honor. The question is irrelevant.
Overruled. Answer the question.
Yes. How can a man live with me, spend most of his life with me, and yet call another woman his chief wife?
Mrs. Mkwebu, you are a person who understands African culture and custom. Could you explain to this court why you should be the one to bury your husband when in fact he has a chief wife?
I am married to this man by Western law. I just want to mourn for him. I want to pay my last respects.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Hey, Kinkaluna! Kwang! Get! Jore ke statement se fiso ka rena sona. Ha ona statement e mo. Lona batho ba TV le shane bile le rata fetela statement tsa batho. Ne ntse jwang ngantana? Ha o jwale Jore. Kwa ke fetela. You must never.
Whoa.
Sir, any news for us?
Yeah, I strongly believe that African tradition should be given its rightful place in society. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Mone so o se ikutletse he ke sona ditaba tse re tshwaretseng tsona phirimane ya ka jeno re le mona Supreme Court go tswa go nna motlali pula Hlabatao gore wena ngone se studio ke tseo.
Agnes, what are you doing? I'm okay. I want to leave my water. Okay.
Sergeant, dibitso ke Tshepo Mokwena. Ke nna maloma bana bana ntate.
Ke Sergeant Mabunda. Rale wa Sergeant Mabunda. Ke Edward, ke na ke manager shop. Thanks very much.
No, hayi ungangibongi umsebenzi wami ukuthi ngenza kanje.
Edward, bangile James.
What?
Sergeant, jwale ha o le jena re etsa jwang ntate?
No, ningakhathazeki. Ngizoyenza konke. Ngizonithumela incwadi
bazonitshela ukuthi nizozani nekhoti nizonikeza ufakazi ngalama criminal esiwabophile.
Sergeant, ngibonga kakhulu.
Nami ngiyabonga. Ngibonga kakhulu nami.
Sure.
Woza ndoda phum. Woza.
So kwena ndofaka unyawo
No, usebenza la i-caretaker.
Yeah, mfowethu.
Thanks, James. You know, Papa would have been very angry. How about nonsense, you know?
I also think he'll be asking himself for it. You know, how you'll handle things when one day you married and since on Naliban. Well, if you marry someone who's not a vendor.
Like you, for example?
Edward, I'm serious. Would you teach your wife the vendor traditions?
How could I when I don't know them myself?
Well, if I can ask you to make a decision about your father's burial, what would you do?
It's a problem. You see, I understand both sides of the story. And I feel like I support them out of loyalty.
So, Nano, limo pate kwa Avalon.
I'm not sure.
Things must be pretty rough at home, eh?
Doris, a go tle kwano ngwane sona le ntwe ke batlang go bontsha yo.
Butle. Hana batho ba le ba itse ba tlatlaneng for meeting.
Ba itse first thing tomorrow morning.
He, wa tsaba ditlhare tsa mavenda le di a sebetsa. Na go kometse ka mogwa dijatši di ne di le confused ka teng.
Ha o bolelang jwale ngwaneso?
Ha ke re last week judge itse go wena ka nna qhobe ya o pata monnao. This week changile. Ha o hlokomele ke ngore ke ditlhare tsa mavenda. This should teach you a lesson.
Ao Doris ngwaneso. Lesson ya eng jwale?
O ska ba dumela go bua le bona o le mong.
Ke tla be ke na le tshepo le Thabo.
Helang, o lebetse o re tshepo hae. Thabo yena ha ke motshepi. He has this tendency of being soft. Wena ha o fita mane tie, o ska ba nnalla. Don't take any nonsense from anyone.
Ngwaneso, dingata ditaba. Who do you Hurry.
Yeah. Ba diba hoi jaji o tangana tho. O mulando u tou vha khagala. Ndi a fulufhela nga vho rengo mani bone.
Ya. Na nne hezwi zwa uri ri ri dzule fhasi na musadzi na lugenge lwawe. Thi vhoni zwi tshi ḓo shuma ni.
Na nne ndi to sa ḓivha uri na uyu mufumakadzi u ḓo vhuya ri thetshelesa na. Ndi khou vhona tonga ri khou fhedza tshifhinga hafha fhethu.
A huna zwine ri nga ita. Tshine ra fanela u ita tshone ndi u ya ra yo ambedzana naye. A huna zwiṅwe.
Nna ndo dovha hafhu nda ḓelwa nga muṅwe muloro afha. Ha vha khotsi ha vhana vhangai vha ri kha ri bve ri ya havho ndi a ḓivha ri yo vhonisa ya mafhungo
kha zwifhio zwino.
Kha zwenezwi zwa hoyu Katarina a vha mu vhoni zwo ri o omisa ṱhoho vha ri kha ri onyolose ṱhoho yawe nga u yo vhonisa kha vho ndi a ḓivha.
Ya na nne ndi khou vhona zwi ḓo shuma ngauri zwa sa ralo na hei case ri ḓo i luza.
Makotsi mnene nne ndi khou vhona ri tshi tea u vhamba mano hafha fhethu.
Hey, batho, na le bone mohlolo ko boneng today. There was something different about the judge. Ach, ka nnete o mmakaditse.
Doris, ha ona phetho ya letho ke boneng. E ntse le yona judge ya na gale ke tseba.
Le nna mangwana.
Oh, come on guys. Le tlampele hore la hlokomela hore batho ba sebeditse judge.
Doris, judge e mamela bopaki ba motho e mong le e mong. I don't see anything wrong in that.
Yona e jwalo. Empa Kathy ha tshwanela o buisana le batho bana a sa itukisa. Ba tla ba le mona first thing in the morning. We have to move very fast.
Remove
dumela kae mangwana?
Re tshwantse o tiisa ntlo ena. Otherwise re tla thola re dumelana le ntho e nngwe le e nngwe ba e buang.
Ya, o nepile kgaitsedi ya. Fela he re santse re na le bothata. Tshepo ha fumane ka baka la mathata ane a shopong. Re tla tlamea ho memela, re se ke ra nka diqeto re le bang.
Oh, lona batho ba Mokwena. You are too soft. All you see in people is the best. You must watch out sometimes.
If you are looking for the worst, you'll only see the worst.
I get it.